So it's good, guys. It has been 7 months since I uploaded a YouTube video on this channel. Currently, right now, it is 6:03 p.m. I am outside. It is about 69 degrees. The weather is kind of cool. But yeah, we're going to hop straight into this video. Today, we're going to be talking about how I was able to call out NVIDIA calls on in my Discord community today at 9:30 off open. Now this pullback was 116.49. I alerted. Well, I'm gonna show you my Discord, and then we're gonna hop into the charts. So as you can see, I have a Discord community, 25 members. If you would like to join, the link will be in the description, also below. So tune into that, tap into that if y'all want to learn how to trade stocks, options, futures, how to invest your money. And yeah, I'm the man for that. With that being said, man, this is my Discord right here. But this morning I alerted NVIDIA. Let's go to it. So once you do join my Discord, you just see that I have a bunch of channels basically for you, for any beginners or anybody that's willing to just even use as confluence. If you already been trading for 3 months, 6 months to a year, 2 years or whatever, you can just use it as confluence. I like using other information or watching other traders as just confluence. But yeah, man, this morning in my Discord, I alerted NVIDIA calls. Right here, as you can see, my day trades right here. So once you do join the chat, I have day trades that I post. I've been posting these for a minute now. But you see, I called out NVIDIA. Oh, this was also yesterday I called out NVIDIA. But we're gonna talk about today. As you can see, today at 9:30 a.m., 116.49 bounce on NVIDIA. I said, but I am aware for downside. You could also swing puts back to 113.05. That was today at 11:30 when I was talking about if we don't. That was when we was at 120. I was saying we can, if you don't want to get out or whatever, you can swing puts. But I just do that to basically protect my downside and otherwise. Like for instance, like if price is going up, I'm looking for the upside target and the downside target, you know. So basically, yeah, I alerted 116.49 bounce on NVIDIA, but I went for downside this morning at 9:30. And as you can see right here, on the video, let's go to Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is a brokerage account where you can invest into stocks and trade options. This is what I have. It's for beginners or intermediate traders. But I also use another account too, brokerage account. But let's go to the video of the day. As you can see, guys, the video at 9:30. Now, I usually don't trade off open. But if you want to know what time I do trade on, join my Discord to find out, basically, because it's kind of a secret because most traders trade off the open I know of. But yeah, man, as you can see in the video, 116.87 at 9:30. Let's go to the candlestick chart. As you can see, man, when the video made a low 115.38 at 9:30 to 9:40, and then we bounced back up to 118. But I was alerting this at 9:30 off open. I got in, I said 116.49 at. Let's just go back here. Hold on. Wait. Let's just go back here. 116.49 bounce, 9:30. Now we made a low 116.56 right here. pushed up to 117. We pulled back, guys. Held the level, and we shot up 119.99, and then pulled back again and went to 120, and then now we're here on the close. But as you can see, my call out was just straight clean off the open. As you can see, pre-market, how did I know we was gonna bounce here? Because I planned previous night before, and I also seen pre-market. So if you do want to know how I was able to catch this, join my Discord, and you will get all the intel and the information, and it's for free, so it's not like I'm charging. So just click the link down below in the description and just become a part of the community. But yeah, man, pre-market, you see at 140, at 130, at 130 was at 118.3. We were just selling off. And I knew from the previous day how we was pushing up on the video. As you can see, we pushing up. And we made a high right here. Well, that was today, but on this day, and then we pulled back. No, we closed somewhere up here. Let me see. Up in what was this day? Yeah, we closed at 117 on 1. That was 12. Yeah, 117 on 1. And then as you can see, we was pushing up pre-market overnight session, and then we dropped down. But I knew we was holding about that 116 level because we never breached it the whole time. As you can see, 117, 118, 118, 117, 117. And then we touched 116 right here at 4:05 in the morning. Bounced clean off of it. 116. Let me see. 116.79. But if I go to the candlestick chart, it's probably gonna set me lower. So like 116.60. And then we bounced up to 118. And then we just sold off again. That was straight off the open though, right here. 9:30. Clean bounce. If you would have took this call right here, let's just go and see how much you would have made. So from that 116, and let's say we had a 118. I would have had a 118 or 117 call. Or really, like I said, 115 was the low, so I would have had like a 117 call majority. And as you can see, guys, you could have got in on this. That's even lower. Let's get this right. $1.36 or $1.41, and then it put back right here, $2.10, and then it took you for a ride. Put another $2 gain. But as you can see, as you can see, we had a 121% move on the day on that call option. And if you would have got in this call option at 9 here, you would have made, that's $4 right there, right? But yeah, guys, that one, let's say one contract you had got, what it was, the low was like $1.36 something. Let's say $136, right? $136 times 4, you would have made $544 with $100. And they say you put in $1,000 times 4, you would have made $4,000. Where am I getting the 4 from, guys? I'm getting the 4 from how much dollar amount we moved in. So if I am correct, I believe NVIDIA. 116, 117, 18, 19, and then 20. So yeah. So like a $4 move, 400%. Yeah, you would have made 4 bands with $1,000. And if you wanted, let's say you put in 10 bands times $4, you would have made $40. 20 bands times 4, you would have made 80 bands. And let's just say 25 for precision, you would have made 100 bands. Now let's just say you put in 50 bands times 4, you would make 200 grand. Oh, hold on. 50. Yeah, 50,000. Yeah, 50 bands. Yeah, times 4. Yeah, 200. So as you can see, it's really about how much you were willing to put up. Not saying willing, like willing to put up, but how much you willing to risk. Like, it's really a mindset when it comes to getting options. But I like to buy shares most of the majority of the time, because when it comes to position, I don't have to worry about data or delta or whatever. And if you want to know what that is, join my Discord, and I will do a live chat or whatever with you, one-on-one or anything, so you can get a better understanding of that. But yeah, guys, let's just do this one more time for fun. And if you were to put in, let's just say 100 grand, right? 100 grand, 100 times 4, you would make 400 bands. At a meal, basically, you almost at quarter to a meal, basically. Shit, half to a meal. And then that 40, like that 40 right there, yeah. 40. Wait, I got 100. Yeah, 100. I was at 100,000, right? 100,000 times 4. Yeah, it's 400. 400 times 4. Yeah, you would have made 1.6 mil. So whoever had 400 grand today on cash or whatever, they made 1.6 mil on this $4 move on the video today. That's if you had 400 grand. That's why I say this is really like how much you willing to put up, lose. And it's like a mindset. Once you like accept the risk and okay, I'm willing to lose this. Oh, but I know it's going here. You know, you always want to make sure your reward is bigger than your losses, or your risk to reward is good. Like a 2R, 3-to-1. Really, they say 1-to-1, but I look for mostly like 2-to-1, 3-to-1, whatever, because my risk to reward is good, basically. What I'm willing to lose is what I'm 10 times about to make, you know. But yeah, chat, that's all I want to say in this video. I hope this video wasn't too long. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and also, if you do like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want another video like this of me going over my daily call outs in my Discords, and I'll also show you my entries next time, also more and things like that in my chart. Well, before we leave, I'm gonna actually go to the chart real quick. So I did say I was gonna do that. So I know my chart have little lines over it, things like that. But as you can see, guys, NVIDIA 116.40, I got in right here. It pushed up, right? Once pushed up $2. That just for a day trade. Any scouts and day trade, they would have enjoyed that. And then it pulled back 116, right? Held 117. But I already had this 117 rejection written out before this even happened. So I knew that we could continue higher. And then as you can see, we held close above trend line again. Held 117 with J, like I said. And then, I had also alerted 117.30 entry. And that's no lie because as you can see right here, yes, me and my trading friend also talks about this. You see, I alerted him at 116. I alerted him at 931. 116.40 added. I'm aware of pullback below based off pre-market, like I was telling you guys about pre-market and overnight session. And as you can see right here, at 9:38, 117.30, I added, and then boom. But look, to the charts, 117.30, I added, and we pushed up, boom, straight above this resistance. It was right here at 118. Came back, recessed, and held, boom, 119. Then we ran all the way to 120, and then NVIDIA pulled back for the day. Well, I said for the day, my bad. It pulled back for a couple hours, from 10:30 to 12 o'clock. Here go the 11 o'clock right here. I don't think I have this. Well, my 11 o'clock is actually right here, but we're not going to talk about that. If you want to learn about the 11 o'clock hour, join my Discord to get that intel and insight. But yeah, guys, as you can see, NVIDIA actually ran today. We pulled back, went to 120.82, and then we also pulled back down 119, 120.53, and then we closed around 119. But as you can see, guys, if you got in at, like I said, 116.40, 117.30, and we was getting out, you could have got out really anywhere. So we still in profit basically. But as you see, that's when we had a 3% move, a 4.44. It's a $4 move on the day. And yeah, man, there you have it. This is the video chart. This app I'm using is TradingView. If you want to learn more about that, also this is the trading app where you just view your charts like Apple, Google, Microsoft, things like that. This is NVIDIA. It says right down in the below left. But yeah, man, that's